Which actually brings us to our next subject quite perfectly. How about WhatsApp? Because, they took lots of heat over the update to the terms, and people were like, I'm done. I'm a quit. WhatsApp. Maybe a few million people quit, and WhatsApp was like, yeah, we got a lot of users.
Yeah, we don't care.
They're like, we got a lot more. Yeah, we'll figure out what those people want. Anyway, they're rolling out desktop voice and video calls to all users. So I don't know if you ever had this experience with WhatsApp, but the whole experience is really trimmed down on your laptop or desktop. You try to use the version of it there, all you can do is send messages. Is pretty much it. Well, until now. Now you have unlocked desktop voice and video calls for all users. I think it was previously out there in some beta format, but anyway, everybody's getting it now, and the desktop client gets a big upgrade here. Now, it's important to note that you will only be able to connect to one individual at a time. There's no group functionality yet. That may be coming at a later date, but this is to encourage people to stay on WhatsApp away from their phone and on all of their devices. So, like I said, Mac OS, Windows are going to support such a thing.
Cool.